Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our amazing YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we embark on an incredible journey together. Whether you're a devoted subscriber or a first-time viewer, get ready to be captivated by the content we have in store for you. Let's start it.
The many faces of insurance, picking the right one for you. There are many different types of insurance available on the market, and choosing the right one can be difficult. Here is a brief guide to the most common types of insurance, so that you can make an informed decision about which one is right for you. Life insurance is one of the most common types of insurance. It is designed to provide financial protection in the event of your death, so that your loved ones will not have to worry about funeral expenses or other debts. Health insurance is another type of insurance that is designed to protect you financially in the event of an illness or accident. It can help to pay for medical bills, and it can also provide you with financial assistance if you are unable to work. Auto insurance is another type of insurance that is designed to protect you financially in the event of an accident. It can help to pay for damage to your car, and it can also provide you with financial assistance if you are unable to work. There are many other types of insurance available on the market, including homeowners insurance, renters insurance, and pet insurance. No matter what type of insurance you are looking for, it is important to shop around and compare rates before you purchase a policy. 1. What are the different types of insurance? 2. What are the different types of coverage? 3. What are the different deductibles? 4. How do you know which insurance is right for you? 5. How do you know how much insurance you need? 1. What are the different types of insurance? Insurance is a necessary part of life for many people. It protects us from financial ruin in the event of an accident, illness, or other unexpected event. There are many different types of insurance, and it can be confusing to know which one is right for you. Here is a brief overview of the most common types of insurance. Life insurance is designed to provide financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your death. There are two main types of life insurance: term life insurance and whole life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a set period of time, typically 10 to 20 years. Whole life insurance provides coverage for your entire life. Health insurance covers the cost of medical care. There are two main types of health insurance: private health insurance and public health insurance. Private health insurance is offered by employers or purchased directly from an insurance company. Public health insurance, such as Medicare and Medicaid, is provided by the government. Auto insurance protects you from financial losses associated with car accidents. It is required in most states. There are two main types of auto insurance: liability insurance and collision insurance. Liability insurance covers damages to other people and property in an accident for which you are at fault. Collision insurance covers the cost of repairing your own car in an accident. Homeowners insurance protects your home and belongings from damage or theft. It is typically required if you have a mortgage. There are also many different types of specialty insurance, such as pet insurance, long-term care insurance, and travel insurance. When choosing an insurance policy, it is important to consider your needs and budget. Make sure to shop around and compare rates from different insurance companies. 2. What are the different types of coverage? There are two main types of coverage: liability and property damage. Liability coverage protects you from being sued for damages if you cause an accident. It also covers you if you are sued for libel, slander, or other damages. Property damage coverage pays for damage to another person's property, such as their car, caused by you. There are also several types of insurance that are not required by law, but may be required by your lender if you have a mortgage. These include title insurance, which protects the lender from loss if the property is not legally yours, and flood insurance, which is required if the property is in a flood zone. 3. What are the different deductibles? There are a few things to consider when picking a deductible for your insurance policy. First, you'll want to determine how much you can afford to pay out of pocket in the event that you need to file a claim. Keep in mind that the lower your deductible, the higher your monthly premium will be. You'll also want to consider the type of coverage you need. For example, if you have a higher deductible and only need coverage for catastrophic events, you may be able to save money on your monthly premium. Once you've considered these factors, you can start to compare deductibles. The most common deductible options are $250, $500, and $1,000. Some policies may have a deductible as high as $5,000 or more. If you have a plan with a $250 deductible and you file a claim for $1,000, you will be responsible for paying the first $250 and your insurance company will cover the remaining $750. It's important to remember that you may have to pay more than your deductible if the cost of your damages exceeds your policy's coverage limit. For example, if you have a $500 deductible and $2,000 in damages, you will be responsible for the first $500 and your insurance company will cover the remaining $1,500. When choosing a deductible, be sure to pick an amount that you feel comfortable with. You don't want to be caught off guard if you have to file a claim. At the same time, you don't want to pay more than you have to in monthly premiums. Find the happy medium and you should be set. 4. How do you know which insurance is right for you? There are a lot of different types of insurance out there, and it can be tough to know which one is right for you. Here are a few things to keep in mind when you're trying to figure out which insurance is right for you. 1. What are your needs? Before you start shopping for insurance, it's important to take a step back and think about what you need. There are a lot of different types of insurance out there, and it can be tough to know which one is right for you. Here are a few things to keep in mind when you're trying to figure out which insurance is right for you. 1. What are your needs? Before you start shopping for insurance, it's important to take a step back and think about what you need. What are you looking to insure? Your home, your car, your health, your life? Once you know what you're looking to insure, you can start to narrow down your options. 2. What can you afford? Insurance can be expensive, so it's important to know how much you can afford to spend on premiums. Once you have a budget in mind, you can start to compare prices and find an insurance policy that fits your needs and your budget. What are the risks? When you're looking at insurance policies, it's important to consider the risks involved. What are the chances of you needing to use your insurance? Are you insuring against something that is likely to happen? The more likely you are to need to use your insurance, the more expensive it will be. 4. What are the benefits? Other policyholders. In the event that you need to make a claim, the insurance company will use the resources of the whole pool to pay out. The concept of insurance is based on the law of large numbers, which states that the more people are exposed to a risk, the more predictable the outcome becomes. This is why insurance companies are able to offer such a wide range of products. From life insurance to pet insurance. By insuring a large number of people, the insurance company is able to spread the risk and make a profit. When you're trying to figure out which insurance is right for you, it's important to keep these principles in mind. There is no one-size-fits-all insurance policy, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's important to understand your needs and your budget before you start shopping for insurance. And finally, make sure you understand the risks and the benefits of the policy before you commit to it. 5. How do you know how much insurance you need? When it comes to insurance, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. The amount of insurance you need will depend on a number of factors, including your age, health, lifestyle, and the value of your assets. Some people underestimate the amount of insurance they need, thinking that their health insurance will cover everything. However, health insurance only covers medical expenses, and it doesn't cover the cost of your possessions or your income if you can't work. Other people overestimate the amount of insurance they need, thinking that they need to insure everything they own. However, this can be expensive and may not be necessary. For example, you may not need to insure your clothing or furniture if it's not valuable. The best way to determine how much insurance you need is to speak to an insurance broker. A broker will ask you about your assets, your income, your health, and your lifestyle. They will then recommend a policy that meets your needs. It's also important to review your insurance needs on a regular basis. As your life changes, so do your insurance needs. For example, you may need to increase your life insurance if you have a family. Or you may need to add disability insurance if you become self-employed. The bottom line is that there is no magic number when it comes to insurance. The amount of insurance you need will depend on your individual circumstances. However, a broker can help you determine the right amount of coverage for your needs. There are many types of insurance available to the modern consumer. Life insurance, health insurance, auto insurance, homeowners insurance, and renters insurance are all common types of insurance that people carry. There is no one, right, type of insurance for everyone. The best way to find the right insurance for you is to shop around and compare rates from different companies. Once you have found a company that you feel comfortable with, you can then purchase the type of insurance that you feel best meets your needs.
Thank you for being a part of our channel. We appreciate each and every one of you.